Hello, my name is Mr. Piano, and today we're going to look at Mr. Haydn's theme. Join us for left hand 1 on D above middle C. Can you see my left hand thumb and where it is? Good. Our right hand thumb is going to be on G above middle C. And we'll play left hand 1 2 times. 1, 1, skip to right hand 1, and play 3, 5. Now when we play that, we play 1 in the left hand, 5 at the same time. Together. 1, 1, 1, 3, together. D. And you'll notice that it's an octave apart. So in the music, so here we have left hand 1, skips up to right hand 1 on G. Right hand 1 on G, skips to 3, skipping to 5. And we play that 4 times. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, let's just do that much. It's just our right hand. Now when we play 5, 5, 5, 5, we're going to be playing this. 1 on D in the left hand. At the same time. Stepping down. D, D, G, B, D, 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 C, B, A, 4. So the next line, we start with 4. So 4 goes here. We play that 2 times. So 4, 4, just expect another 4. 3, skipping down to 1. Back up to 3. 2. Down to left hand 1. Back up to right hand 2. Oh, jumping around in this song. Now this one's different, right? Those two together. What do you think that is? Well, that is 1 on D. And 2 is on C. And we play those two together. So 1 on D. 2 on C. And we play these two together. And after that, we play 1 and 3. D and B. Okay. Now when we play D and B in the left hand, we have to remember right hand. So we're just going to play the right hand. The left hand here at the beginning, we can play that. And going to right hand for the rest of the piece. It's going to sound like this. Very good. Just make sure this note right here is worth 2 beats. Okay. 2 beats. And this one is worth 3 beats. 3 beats. Stepping down to 1 for 2 beats. So right now we're trading their eyes to follow the music as best they can. And if it's difficult for them to read from here all the way to here to play 4 again, just take your time, right? You might try explaining it to them like So basically we play 4 twice. 1, 2. All right, going back and entering left hand finger numbers, we have left hand 1, 4 times, stepping down to 2, stepping down to 3, and 2. So let's play that first line together. 1 is on D. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. What are these? Right here. Those are called quarter rests. Basically, they're worth 1 quarter note. So equal to one of these. Yeah? 1 quarter note equal to, that's what this is, a rest. So that means we're silent on those 2 beats. So it goes, my dear, rest, rest, in the left hand, so we don't play there. Left hand, 1, 1, rest, rest. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. And then on beat 3, we have a rest. Let's see if we can play that line hands together. Ready, and together, 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 together. 4 twice. All right, let's go ahead and play the next line together. We start on 4 in the right hand. So where's our right hand? 4. 4 should be on C because 1 is on G. So we play 4 right here. And then we play 4 again here. We play 4, 3, 1, because there's a skip here. B to G, G. 4, 3, 1, C, B, G. And then the next line, we skip up to 3. So skip up to 3. That just means we skip finger 2, right? Can you play 4, 4, 3, 1? 4, 4, 3, 1. So I'm playing 4, finger 4, this finger, 2 times. Then 3, 1. What's next is 3, 2, and then we skip to left hand 1, back to 2, 1 and 2 left hand, and this part skips around the most. 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. Good. Can you play the left hand 1, 2, 2 times? Good. Now play left hand 1 and 3, 2, just 1 time. Hold for 2 beats. That should be 1 and 3 for 2 beats. 1, 2. Okay, let's play 1 and 2 together. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1 and 3. Okay, so now let's put those 2 together. 1, 2, 3, 1. Whoops. Make sure our thumb stays on the keyboard. Very nice. How about the right hand? Finger 2, 3. Finger 2 for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1 for 2 beats. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and good. Playing from this 4 here, 4/4. So remember, we can describe that as a 4, another C basically. Before that one, right? Let's try that again slowly. 4, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Together. Yeah, and that last chord is together. Together. One more time by yourself. Happily. Can you try this at a faster tempo? Very good. Practice makes perfect. Practice is progress. See you next time, where we will be going over my daydream.